Hello, my friend, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and guess what? As most of you know, I have had the pleasure of going on HSN quite a few times, and most of the time my items sell out pretty much right away, which is very exciting. So after a certain amount of time, we have the ability to offer them to you on our website. Usually it's between 6 to 8 months to almost a year later. Well, this is one of those sets, and I'm really excited about this one because it is so dang versatile. What is it? It is called Squirrel Gift for You. It has my cute little squirrel in a nice large size, perfect for card making and scrapbooking. And it has the cute little stamps, happy birthday, for you, my friend, a gift for you, and hello. Now, here's the deal. The dies that match are really exciting because you can see his cute little hands. What you can do is you can die cut. If you're using this die, it'll work. Or if you don't want to die cut the whole piece, if you want to just go ahead and stamp it and then die cut these little hands. They look kind of funny on camera, I know, but when you see them, they are going to line up to die cut his hands so they pop out like this. What does that mean? That means he can hold things because you're going to pop out his hands. You can put the present, the heart, or the flower, or anything, and you can lay them down again, and he's holding that item. So let me show you an example. Here's one where he's holding the cute little flower. See how the arms just pop up because of that die? So it's perfect because then he can literally hold something, which is fun. Here's one where they use the whole die. Isn't that cute? Open it up. I love that. Here's one where he's holding the cute little present. This one's actually like a little gift tag, so fun. Here's one where he's holding the present again. So easy. So what you can do is you're going to die cut it, and the hands already do their thing by themselves. But if you want to stamp it and just have the shadow, you're going to use these little guys by themselves. So simple and so easy. Look, here's another one where he's holding that, and you can see he's a nice, good size. So he's not this little tiny critter running around. Oh, or you can make him a girl. Add some eyelashes and a bow, and boom, now he's a girl. Now she's a girl. Oh, and look how cute this is on our gift fold it. So fun. So if you didn't get a chance to get that when I was on HSN, now's your chance to get them. We are also releasing another fold it. I know how much you all love the fold its. This is a chicken fold it. Can you believe it? Isn't that hilarious? The chicken fold it is so cute because look at this. Hey, chickie. Isn't that cute? Here's another one using our fence and our grass. I love seeing him in patterned paper. It is so fun. Here's a cute one holding Band-Aids, just chicken in. Isn't that adorable? Using our farm stamps. Go check out the farm stamps. Oh my goodness gracious, this wins my favorite award. Look at that, holding a bouquet of flowers. I love that. Now, club members, of course, you get the club discount on our website. If you're not in the club, you need to join because you're missing out, and I feel really sad for you. So join because it's awesome, and you're going to love it. Of course, there's an online gallery with all of these products, as well as you can go check out our Facebook fan page and our Instagram, and we're just like all there. We're all out there. Club members, of course, you get club points. It's just so fantastic. So go check out the website, thestampsoflife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye.